Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A four-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, April the 19th, 2024, almost weekend. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So, three puzzles left. The binary jigsaw Sudoku. This one has 10 printed digits. Wow. Should be a hard one. But you are interested in the four-star Sudoku number 8393. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for four stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a four stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. We have here three twos, two threes, four fours. All right. Two fives, three sixes, three sevens, three eights, and two nines. So the fours are in majority. Can I start with 4? Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left with 4 is should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. Then I need a 1 here. Okay. 7. How about this box? Can be 1. Could be 2. Could be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Can be 6. Can be 7. Can be 8. Can be 9. Okay. Well. What the 9 here? 9 here. 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below the only place left at 8 should be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 2 here. 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column, so the first column there only 2 places left. The 2 should be here. Oh, there we have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 6 here. 2, 2, need a 2 there. 2, 2, need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Then. 5 there. How about 6, 6? Two, 2. Yeah. 8, 6. Need a 5. Need a 1 and a 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 3. We have 1 and 3 in the last row. No 1 and 3 in these two boxes. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and then 9. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 9 here. 5. 5, need a 5 here. I need a 1 here. Well, 8. Here also 5. 1, 7, 6. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, could be a 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be an 8, can be 9. Yes, definitely a 5. Okay. So 1, 6, 7 are going in these 3 boxes. Okay. 2, 4, need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Okay. 2, 3, and 8. Need an 8 here. Can I mean 8, 8, 8. Okay. Well. 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, from the row below. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. On there, we have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. About the 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. Well. Need a 6 there. Come on. Need a 4. Need a 4 here. It's a hard one. 8, 5. 8, 5. 5 can be here. Not easy. Here, 2 numbers left in this row. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 and 3. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3 in the second column, no, need 2 place level, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have 1 and a 9. In this column, so no 1 and 9. These 2 boxes, 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Not a pair in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2. Then, let me see. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so third row. Now need 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Well. 5. 9, 2. How about the number? Need the 8 here. 7. 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 2 there. Need a 9 here. Yeah. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column X, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, need a 2, need a 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. And only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Cannot. Well, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. No. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Only place left of the 2 should be there. Okay, so we need the 8 and the 3. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be in, 8 goes there. 3, 3. 8, 8. Then 7, 7, 7. Okay. How about? Need a 7 there. 4, 6. Need a 1 here. 1, 6, 7. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 and the 5. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So 3, 3, 3, 3. 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. 1, 1, okay. Then 4, 4, 4. 6, 3, okay. 4, 4. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6, okay. 1 box left in this second column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Need a 4 here. Then 8, 7, 9, 9, 9, 8, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have 7 and 9 in the second row. So no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. So we need 8 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 5 here. 2, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Only place left for 2 in this big square should be there. So the 8 and the 5 is missing. 8 and the 5. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number, I believe the 9, yeah. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in last column, 6 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3. The 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Well, surprising. Cannot fill this yet. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and the 7, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay. 1 and the 9, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 and the 7, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.